Okay. This is the question we were doing yesterday, like question number 7th, and I was about to write the answer. Maybe some of you have already completed the answer on your own. We have the radii of the two circles together equal to the side of the square. From there, we are able to find out what will be the radius of each of the circles drawn at the 4 corners of the square. स्क्वायर के 4 कॉर्नर्स पे सर्कल्स ड्रॉ किए हैं और उनका रेडियस हमने फाइंड कर लिया है. नाउ वी वांट टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. द एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन विल बी गिवन बाय द एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर माइनस the area of the 4 quadrants, and as such the 4 quadrants will form one whole circle. So you can do it that way also. So you will have area of the shaded region equals to area of square minus the area of the 4 quadrants. So side area of the square will be equal to 14 square minus 4 quadrants. This will be 4 times multiplied by 1/4 pi r square. So simplifying, this will be 196 minus 154 equals to 42 centimeters square. Why do I think that this answer is same as the answer for the previous question that we did? Is it same?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, there is one question.
Some question number 3rd.
Yes, the answer for that. Yeah, it seems, it looks familiar. Like it's like I have written this already, kind of deja vu. But that was a different question. Yeah. Kanishka, I think Kanishka has recognized that question. Okay. This is a very simple question compared to the one we are going to do now. Question number 8, very important question. This figure depicts a racing track. The figure given here is showing you a racing track. And they have described how it has been shown. डिटेल में इन्होंने ज्यादा नहीं दिखाया, लेकिन जब रेसिंग ट्रैक बनता है, there are 2 parallel lines and they are of the same length, and the end of the parallel lines are joined by drawing semicircles of the same size. So whatever is the distance here, it's taken as the diameter, and then there is a semicircle drawn at this end and a semicircle at this end. This is how the track is drawn. Then keeping the width of the track in mind, there are outer parallel lines, how much wide the track needs to be. There are 2 more parallel lines, and again from their ends 2 semicircles are drawn, and this is how the track is formed. So these lines are actually parallel to each other. This is what they are writing here. Distance between the inner 2 parallel lines. These are the parallel lines you can write down, or you can just mark it in your book. हमारे पास 4 parallel lines होंगी अगर हम अपनी figure को इस तरह से parts में divide करते हैं. So there are semicircular edges or the semicircular ends on both sides, whereas in between you can see you have 4 parallel lines. Out of these 4 parallel lines, the distance between the inner 2 is 60 meters. So the distance, this is 60 meters. The distance between the inner 2 parallel lines is 60 meters, and the length of these parallel lines is 106 meters. So the length of each of these 4 lines, 4 lines बन रही हैं आपके पास, चारों की length 106 meters है. The track is 10 meters wide, so the width of the track will help you find out the dimensions for the 2 semicircles which are formed here. Let me just mark here. The width is 10 meters. All around. First part is find out the distance around the track along its inner edge. तो अंदर वाली जो edge है उसके along क्या distance बन रहा है. This was a question in 8th standard. 8th standard में जब आपने mensuration chapter किया था, आपको ये चीज दी थी. There was a rectangle which is bound by 2 semicircles at its ends. You had to find out the perimeter for this shape. So how do you find out the perimeter for this shape? You will be taking the length of the rectangle, and along with that you need the length of this curved boundary. The curved boundary is actually half the circumference. In order to find out the answer for the first part, the distance around the track along its inner edge, we want to find out the perimeter of the shape formed inside. जो अंदर शेप बन रही है, this one. इस शेप का आपको पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है, एंड दिस विल बी गिवन बाय एडिंग द लेंथ्स ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म्ड इनसाइड. सो यू विल हैव द लेंथ 106, 106, and along with that you need to take the length of this curved boundary. ये जो curved boundary है, इसकी लेंथ हम कैसे निकालेंगे? Half the circumference of the circle. बिकॉज ये सेमी सर्कल की बाउंड्री है, और सेमी सर्कल की जो सर्कमफेरेंस होगी, इट विल बी द सर्कमफेरेंस ऑफ द होल सर्कल डिवाइडेड बाय 2. दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर. Anyone with questions here? I will be doing it one part at a time, then we'll come back to the second part to find out area of the track. Anyone who wants to ask कि ये कैसे निकाल रहे हैं हम, the distance around the track along its inner edge? Sometimes in your textbook or sorry, in your reference book, you might see that it has been named. The track has been named for convenience. वो नाम रख देते हैं. So you could do that also, अगर आपको easy लगता है. So first thing you want to do is you want to first of all show that your track is formed by a rectangular portion and 2 semicircular ends, and then you can name this. This can be named as P, Q, R, S. This is the inner rectangle, and then the outer rectangle you can name as A, B, C, D. So the first part would be calculated by adding the distance from P to Q, Q to R along this boundary which is curved, then R to S, and then S to P. This is the distance you want to find out. I'm going to mark names along the boundary. So let's name this point as X and a point here as Y. You have been asked to find out the distance. That's why we will find out the perimeter, not the area. Distance along the boundary is always perimeter. Perimeter की जो definition होती है, it is the distance along the boundary. So there are 2 boundaries to this track. One is the inner boundary and the outer boundary. We want to find out the distance along the inner boundary. So that would mean the inner perimeter. Let's write the answer for this. Please draw the figure for this in your text, in your notebooks. I'm not going to draw, I'll just write the answer. Question number 8, first part. We have to find out the distance along the So you have that figure. Please make sure that you draw that figure where you have marked those points, because I will be using the same names here in order to write my answer. This was P, I will have to go back to the textbook. P, okay, I've named. So this is P, Q, R, and S. Over here, I've taken point X, and over here, I've taken Y. So the distance along the inner edge would be line segment PQ plus the length of the arc QRX plus RS, the line segment, plus SYP. This is what I want to do. These are the lengths of the parallel sides, which are given as 106 meters. For the length of these arcs, these are the circumference of semicircles. Now, to find out the circumference of the semicircles, you require to find out the radius. Let's go back to the diagram and see what will be the radius of these semicircles. Read the question again and see. The distance between the two inner parallel lines is 60 meters. So that means this distance PS is 60 meters, and this is the diameter of semicircle. So if you have the diameter of the semicircle formed inside, you can find out the radius for this as well. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And please note down that this is the diameter of the inner semicircle, not for the outer semicircle. Outer semicircle का जो size है वो larger है. So outer semicircle, its radius will be equal to the radius of the inner circle plus the width of the track. This is how you can find out the radius of the outer circle. Just like concentric circles. बहुत ज्यादा काम है इस क्वेश्चन में as such, and all not necessarily is to be shown here. It's all understanding. So the radius of the circle I'm going to write down on a side, not showing in my fair work. I'll be writing down on a side. Diameter of inner semicircle is equal to PS, this line segment over here, which is 60 meters. Therefore, radius of the inner semicircle will be equal to 60 by 2. So small r comes out to be 30 meters. And using those values here, the circumference of a semicircle is C by 2. C is 2 pi r. Please remember this, you can directly use pi r. So we have pi r plus 106 plus another pi r. This is a semicircular arc. So you can calculate the answer. This will be in fractions. Anyone with questions here?
No, ma'am.
Now the second part, where you have to find out the area of the track. You can do this in two ways. One is a little complicated, which says to find out the area of this shaded region, what we will do, we will first of all find out the area of this whole figure, the whole track. If we find out the area of the whole track, it would be the area inside this boundary. From this area, the area of the whole shape, we will subtract the area which is unshaded, the inner area. This is one way of doing it. which is complicated. The other way is to break down the area we want to find out into parts. So what we can see is this portion here forms a rectangle. We can find out its area separately. The area will be equal to this rectangle formed at the bottom. So we can find out the area of these two rectangles first. Then we will find out the area of these semicircular region, and then add the answers for the 4 areas. Let me know which of these two makes sense to you. Total area minus the inner area or working in parts?
Working
Total
in
area
parts.
minus the inner area.
Okay, so I'm going with this area of the parts, but I would do that with you if you require. Only Sahaj has said that we want to work with total area minus the inner area. उससे बहुत ज़्यादा काम हो
I
जाएगा.
am okay with both.
Okay,
No
let's
problem.
then okay, let's do this in parts. अब हमें rectangles का अगर area निकालना है तो rectangle का area निकलेगा length into breadth से. See if you can recognize what will be the length and breadth for these rectangles. The length of this edge is 106. So the length of the rectangle is 106. What is the width of this rectangle? The width is
10
equal to the
meter.
yes, the width of the track, which is 10 meters, will be the width of this rectangle. So इस rectangle का area आ जाएगा 106 multiplied with 10. Similarly, the area of rectangle at the bottom will also be equal to 1060. Now it comes down to calculating the area bound by the boundaries of these two semicircular arcs. ये जो area है, इसका area हम अपने traditional way से निकालेंगे. The area of the outer semicircle minus the area of the inner semicircle. जैसे ring का area निकालते थे. The formula to find out the ring, I would like you to just recall the question where you had to find out the area of the regions. वो archery वाला question था जहाँ पे red, blue, green वाले हमने questions किए थे, तो वो rings बन रही थी. Same formula will be used here but for a semicircle. Or and it's not necessary that both these parts are asked together for a question carrying 4 marks. Sometimes only the distance is asked. यहाँ पे आपको inner edge का पूछा है, question पूछ सकते हैं, find the distance along the outer edge, and then area of the track could be a separate question, independent question. Area of the track will be given by area of two rectangles. The rectangles are AP, QB, this will represent the area of the two rectangles. Plus, now we want to find out the area of the two semicircular arcs at both ends. And for that, the area will be given by pi r square minus r square by 2. Anyone who's writing down?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.